Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer digital products into affiliate ecosystems on Gumroad, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer digital products into affiliate ecosystems on Gumroad, start by logging into your Gumroad account. Navigate to the products section in your dashboard. Click on the product you wish to transfer. Scroll down to the advanced settings area. Locate the section labeled Affiliate Program. Toggle the affiliate program on if it's not already enabled. Set your commission percentage for affiliates. Decide whether you want to approve affiliates manually or automatically. If you choose manual approval, note that you'll need to review and accept affiliates periodically. For automatic approval, ensure you have clear guidelines in place for potential affiliates. After configuring these settings, save your changes. Next, share your affiliate link with potential partners. Instruct them on how to promote your product. Recommend using their unique affiliate link for tracking purposes. Encourage affiliates to create engaging content around your product to boost sales. Monitor the performance of your affiliates through the Gumroad dashboard. Check for sales generated by each affiliate periodically. Consider adjusting your commission structure based on performance. Regularly communicate with your affiliates to foster a strong relationship. Evaluate your product's presence within the affiliate ecosystem and make necessary adjustments to improve engagement. Continue refining your strategy to maximize your product's visibility and sales through affiliate marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.